Hello everyone! Today we will learn about polar animals. Polar bear. Polar bear. The polar bears are growling on the ice. Penguin. Penguin. Look at the penguins. They are standing on the ice. Fox. Fox. The white fox is walking in the snow. Owl. Owl. The snowy owls are hooting in the snow. Whale. Whale. See the white whales. They swim in the icy water. Seal. Seal. The little seals are crying on the ice. Wolf. Wolf. The white wolves are howling in the cold valley. Puffin. Puffin. The colorful puffins rest on the green grass. Musk ox. Musk ox. The small lemmings are walking on the rocks. Leopard seal. Leopard seal. Ptarmigan. Ptarmigan. See the ptarmigans. They walk in the white snow. Albatross. Albatross. The big albatrosses float on the blue water. Wolverine. Wolverine. This is the wolverine. It walks in the snowy forest. Penguin. Penguin. The Adelie penguins are standing on the rocks. Goose. Goose. Look at the geese. They rest in the freezing water. Ermine. Ermine. The little ermines have soft white winter coats. Sheep. Sheep. These are wild sheep. They climb the tall mountain. Shark. Shark. The Greenland sharks swim in the deep icy ocean. Seal. Seal. Look at the elephant seals. They rest on the sand. Penguin. Penguin. The chin-strap penguins are standing on the icy shore. Whale. Whale. See the big whales. They swim in the cold water. Penguin. Penguin. The king penguins are standing on the chilly beach. Seal. Seal. The ringed seals are resting on the cracked ice. Seal.
Seal.
Seal. Look at the seals. They float on the cold water. Seal. Seal. The Weddell seals rest on the frozen ice. Penguin. Penguin. These are penguins. They stand on the rocky cliff. Penguin. Penguin. The Gentoo penguins are walking on the pebbled beach. Squirrel. Squirrel. Look at the squirrels. They sit in the green grass. Bird. Bird. The little birds are chirping on the rocks. Bird. Bird. See the white birds. They nest on the icy cliff. Krill. Krill. The tiny krill are swimming in the freezing ocean. Seal. Seal. The ribbon seals are resting on the floating ice. Penguin. Penguin. Look at the penguins. They stand on the rocks. Whale. Whale. The huge blue whales swim in the deep ocean. Whale. Whale. See the fin whales. They swim in the cold water. Whale. Whale. The sperm whales swim in the dark icy depths. Bird. Bird. Look at the birds. They sit on the steep cliff. Seal. Seal. The Ross seals are resting on the isolated ice. Seal. Seal. These are bearded seals. They swim in the shallow water. Seal. Seal. The hooded seals are resting on the drifting ice.